our demo page for Get Classy. No, it's recording. I was currently signed in. I'm just going to log out and show you our sign-in feature. So this is the page that you will normally come to if you aren't signed in.
I'm Mac.
Oh yeah, but I'm sorry, Mac's with me. This is Lath. My bad. We'll click sign in. We represent Team ABDU, the greatest team to ever be a team in CS411 by far. Our project is Get Classy, and we're about to demonstrate it for you. It should be a great time.
So what just happened is we were led to the sign-in page, which is the default page when you go to getclassy.com. Lath decides to sign in with a school account.
Yes.
We're now redirected back to the homepage, and now we're at Lath's current calendar.
And I currently don't have any things going on because I'm not enrolled in any classes.
Maybe you should add a class.
I think that's a great idea, Mac. I'll go to add a class. And you know what? I'm just going to click find classes. I'm not really sure what I need to take. CS411 pops up. Great suggestion, Get Classy. Wow. As always, so happy to be enrolled in that one.
You know, I hear you learn a lot of great skills in CS411.
I agree. CS, yeah, you do.
What other classes are you in right now, Lath?
Well, I'm in a lot of CS classes, so let's just search for some CS classes. Okay, I'll add 225. I'll add 241. I'll add, let's see here, 440 maybe. And that sounds good for now. I'll go back to my calendar and see what's going on. Yeah, terrible, right? Let's see. So today, the 2nd, I have LabML due for 225. I got the final project for 411 due tomorrow, as well as part 2 of nonstop networking. But you know what?
Wait, I thought you took 225 last semester.
I did. I took actually last fall with you.
Wow.
Actually, yeah. So let me drop that. That was a mistake. My bad. I will drop that class because I don't need it. So I'll go to drop me, and then page reloads. It's no longer available here. Go back to calendar. And you can no longer see it on the calendar page. Perfect. Great. Out of sight, out of mind. Great. So maybe now I'm a little curious on what's going on with CS411. I'll click on the class page. See the CRN, the note, final project coming up, then homework 5. Should I change the note? Yeah, I can change the note.
Let's change the note.
Say favorite class, a greater than sign. Oh, it's a less than sign. 3. Update note. Wow, update note. All right, back to the calendar, and let's make sure that it stays there.
So that note shows up for everybody for the rest of time, now, right?
Yes.
Wow.
So then I now think I should add an event. I kind of want to go to office hours, maybe talk to ABDU for a little bit.
Maybe talk with Amir.
Yeah, maybe talk with Amir.
Great TA.
One thing we should mention, though, is that we have a little bit of HTTP versus HTTPS issues here. So you might have to load an unsafe script. I promise we're not going to do anything bad, but that is something I have to do. So now I can add an event. It's going to be office hours. The due date for the event. Nice little calendar picky here. We'll just say
make it Monday.
Make it Monday the 3rd. And then the event description is talk with ABDU and Amir about
homework 5.
Yeah, homework 5. Then I'll submit that. And then here we go. It brings us to the event page we made.
Where are we right now?
We are on the event page that we just created for that class. As you can see, we have a picture of ABDU because there currently are no documents uploaded for this event, so that's the default image we have. It shows you the event description you gave. It shows us when it's due, and
What do you mean by documents?
What do I mean by documents?
Piazza can't do that.
Piazza
can't do that.
No, it cannot. We're just ahead of the curve. We are students, people. But maybe we need to update I need to add a document for it. So we support PNGs, PDFs, JPEGs, you name it. So I'll upload this picture, this handy, beautiful database picture. And I will hit upload. And then there it is, sure enough. And I can click on it, get a better look at it. Maybe download it if I wanted to, but I already have it.
Not today.
And then, as I said, that's a PNG, I think, or a JPEG maybe, but we can also support PDFs. So I will upload, while homework 3 solution.pdf isn't that helpful for homework 5, maybe it couldn't hurt. We'll
but
upload
it's not bad to have on the website.
All right,
maybe someone wants to know.
Yeah, maybe someone's looking for it. So I can click to the second one. It's a PDF. We go there. And while it's loading, it should come up eventually with the PDF for homework 3 solutions. Apologize for my computer being a little slow, but sure enough, there it is. And then that will be there for me later on. And then, you know what? Actually, you know what? I made a mistake. I should update this event. It's actually due on the 4th, we'll say. So I'll go here, click here. Oh, actually, ABDU's office hours on Friday, so we'll make it the 7th.
You would know because you're a good student.
Right, exactly. So we'll submit that. Perfect, and now it shows me that's the 7th, so I can go back to my calendar now.
Wait, aren't you also in Info 403?
I am in Info 403. Let me add that class really quick, just because that's helpful. Info 403. Gotta make sure I get that stuff done as well. Oh no,
wait, that's not showing up.
It's not showing up. Wow, it must not exist.
You know what you should do?
What
Help everyone out.
Yeah, I'll create the class. You know, then in the future, if one of my classmates decides they need to figure out they want Info 403 on their calendar, they'll have it. So the CRN, I believe, is 54987. The title is Info 403. The instructor is Dan Cermak. Department is Info. Submit. And now the class page exists for Info 403. I can change the note. I'll say video top down. We'll say top down video game design. And I can update the note.
So just like any other class page.
Just like any other class page. And now,
are you enrolled in 403 right now, though?
I'm not. I have to add a class now. So, but it should, as we didn't see it pop up before, sure enough, there it is. And I can add it. And now I should be able to find it on my beautiful calendar.
Wait. What if I want to check in the past or in the future? Like, I don't care about just today and tomorrow. Finals are coming up.
You're right.
It's a special time
coming
of the year.
up. Let's go to the next 3 days of your calendar. And sure enough, hey, final project, quiz 8, final project, resplendid RPCs. I forgot that was a lab I have to do. Wonderful. Homework 5, and there's office hours, the event we added previously.
Wow.
Beautiful. So now we can go back too. You know, go back. Keep going to the past. There was Savvy Scheduler.
Oh, but you finished Savvy Scheduler.
I did
right?
finish that. You know what? I forgot to mark it as done. Let me do that.
Wait, isn't it going to take a long time to go back to today if you go further than that in the future?
It will not. You know, we got a nice handy button today that takes you right back to where you were. And if you check back on previous 3 days, you'll notice Savvy Scheduler stayed marked done.
So once you mark an assignment as done, it always says done.
Unless you unclick it as done, but it should, yeah. And then I believe that we are good to mark this done.
With the finishing of this project and this video, we can now click that off.
Yeah, thanks for watching. We look forward to the live project demo as well. And we'll just sign out.
And once you sign out, you're taken back to the front page again.